Today's recipe is Thai noodle bowl. Right, we're going to marinate some chicken. So we're going to take some avocado oil and some soy sauce. I do this marinade in a Ziploc bag. Some lime juice, some water. You can do this marinade in a bowl too. Some garlic, some ground ginger, some red pepper flakes, and some green onions. Just gonna give that a little squish and stir it all up together. And then we'll add in our chicken breast. Now I take the chicken breast and I slice it in half, which makes grilling a lot quicker. This is 2 chicken breasts that I used for this recipe, but for a bigger family, you can always use more. Marinate your chicken between 20 minutes to 24 hours, and then take it out and let it come to room temperature before placing on the grill. Grill it for about 4 to 5 minutes each side. Check your internal temperature. It should be around 165 degrees. Once cooked, remove from the grill. And just put some tin foil over top and let it rest. Now we'll slice this up after it's rested for around 10 minutes. And this will go on top of our noodle bowl. So we're going to make the peanut sauce. Take our peanut butter. Our soy sauce. Vegetable oil. Sesame oil. Some sriracha. This rice vinegar. Honey. And some garlic. And we'll whisk that together until it's nice and smooth and all incorporated. While you're making the sauce, you could be doing your spaghetti noodles, boiling them in a pot, and you want to cook them till they're al dente, so check your package to see how long that takes for the specific brand of spaghetti you're using. Now that they're drained, we'll just add it to a bowl. You can also add it to the same pot. We'll add our sauce. And we'll just give that a stir. Get that sauce on all the noodles. Then we'll add our julienned carrot. Our red peppers that are sliced thinly. Stir that up to get it all mixed together. This salad is really good cold as well. Really good the next day for your lunch. We'll add in our green onion. We'll stir that all together. We'll add our cilantro. Our red pepper flakes. And again, stir it all up. And you can garnish it with some sesame seeds and some crushed peanuts.
Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Here are 2 more of my videos you may be interested in. Thanks for watching.